This is the vanilla chocolate chip muffin recipe you've been searching for. Supremely soft, tender and moist on the inside with the golden top that is perfectly domed and crusty on the outside. Hi everyone, my name is Annie, you're on Sweets and Treats channel and let's get started. For this recipe we need granulated sugar, unsalted butter, eggs, vegetable oil, full-fat milk, all-purpose flour, vanilla sugar or vanilla extract, baking powder, semi-sweet chocolate chips and pinch of salt. In mixing bowl, combine butter, sugar, vanilla sugar and beat it until light and fluffy. Add eggs and mix it together. Add oil and milk, mix it again. In spare bowl combine sieved flour, baking powder and pinch of salt. Add dry ingredients to the bowl with the cream, butter and eggs. Mix it well. Add chocolate chips. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Usually I sprinkle dried rice under cupcakes cups before baking. The rice absorbs any grease throughout baking. Spoon butter into the prepared muffin cups, filling each 2/3 full. Bake it in the preheated oven about 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Do not over-bake muffins, they will be dry. Let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy warm.